Hello besties, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be unboxing my new LED lights from Amazon. I already opened the package because this package was shipped with something I really wanted, so I was so eager to open the package so that I can get whatever I needed from the package. So it's halfway opened, but these are the lights. Let me come closer. This is the name for the LED lights. Can you guys see it? There we go. It's called Neewer. The model of these lights is model NL660. The power is 40 watts. The size is 325 by 180 by 310 millimeters. It is made from China. They do have a Facebook QR code and a TikTok QR code. If you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, share me out, give me those likes so that YouTube can get to recommend my videos to as many people as possible, and this will also help our channel grow. So thank you so much guys in advance, and let's do this. Let's unbox this new LED lights. So it's showing LED photography lights. Then on this other side it's showing the scissor. I really have no idea, I'm not a tech person, but this is what it's showing over there. I know that the last one is a lighting, then the name of the lights, the company and where it was manufactured, the photo of how the LED light will be looking like. Then on this other side they do have like a QR code where you can scan for Facebook, TikTok, and also the website itself. They do have like a VIP email where you can contact them in case there's something wrong, okay? But I'm going to link this product in the description box. After you've seen some of my storytime videos and you love the lighting, you're free to just come to this video, go to the description box and get you one of these so that you can all shine. Okay, it's well packaged guys. Like, I'm so scared of opening it. I'm trying to be as fragile with this box as possible in case I use it after 30 days and I don't like it. With Amazon, because I have Amazon Prime, I'm given 30 to 90 days. In case I don't like the product, I'm able to ship it back to them and they can either refund me my money or I can exchange it for something else. I'm telling you, I have no idea where to go from. You know what? Okay, it's sealed over here, so I'm gonna try and unseal it. I just go ahead and cut through it. There we go guys, we're doing it. Yeah, it's well packaged. Let me bend this over so that you can get to see. Okay, it's well packaged. So it's two of them, okay? So this is the first one, the first set. It's one set of two, and this is the other bag. One thing with me, I don't know if I'm the only person. Most of the time when I buy stuff, I try not to dispose of the boxes at least I try to keep the boxes for at least 1 year, in case I see another product that I like and I would like to give this product to somebody else. I can package it with its original package and hand it over to whoever I want to gift or give. Or in case the product is damaged, I already have the original boxes where I can pack them inside, then return it to the seller. So this is how it comes in. So it's a set of 2. 1, they're twins, brother and sister. So this is how they look like. So I'm just going to unbox one because I know it's the same as the other one. So this is how it's packed. This is very handy. Let's say if you're traveling and you want to bring this lighting with you, it's like ready to go. That was so thoughtful when they're doing that. I'm going to open it. I'm going to open it, guys, and this is how it looks like. Oops, excuse me. This is how it looks like. So it comes with a manual. Let's have this manual right here. It comes with manual and how to set it up. See that? Okay, then I really love this because yeah, so it has a bag, it has a power line inside, the AC adapter. Then they do have this note in there. They have a little note in there. The note says, in order to minimize hazards to health and the environment and ensure that materials can be recycled, this product should be disposed of at a separate collection facility for waste, electrical and electronic equipment. Disposal, end of life. Meaning disposal is end of life, so that we can save the environment from disposing hazards to the environment, which is a good thing. They're very thoughtful. Next, this is the LED light itself. It has the cable. It has the cable. It has the AC adapter. It has the AC adapter, and I love this packaging in here. So I'm just gonna leave this the way it is. If I'm traveling and I want to go with my LED lights, I will let it cushion like this, and this is just for safety purposes. It keeps your LED light longer without damage. And there's nothing in here. Let me see. Yeah, we don't have much in there, so it's just this styrofoam shaped into the size of the bag, and it fits the LED light. This is very safe when you're traveling. You get to secure your LED light from any damages. So I love this concept of them incorporating this cushioning to just secure the LED lights. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. So it comes with an AC cable. I'm gonna put it back because I have a lot of this from my other lights that I bought. And they also have the second cable too. Yeah, the second adapter cable. I also have something like this, so I'm gonna save this too. That's what happens when you're a content creator. Like you find yourself having 2 or 3 of the same thing, which is good. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this in there. I told you I love to hold stuff, so I'm gonna keep this to inside the box, because when I'm traveling I'm gonna pack it the way it came. Okay, so this is the light itself. This is how it looks like. I wonder they didn't bring, it doesn't have like an extension. Dang, it doesn't have an extension, but we'll check. So this is how it looks like. It has this flexible, like a flexible handle. This is attachment to the stand, to the tripod. This is how it looks like. Have to go down like that. So it has the details over here. I'm going to do another video on just showing you everything and how to work it. They do have a dimmer light, they have a yellow light, and they just have all the information in regards to how to use it. Yeah, it's a Neewer LED light. It has an on and off button. Okay, next, hold on. Oh, so it has these 4 flaps. It has these 4 flaps, so all I have to do is like flip it, flip it, flip it. Ooh, this is fancy. And these flaps, the flaps are very flexible. You can fold them, see, depending on how much you want the light to reflect on you. That's how it looks like. Then it has an on and off button here. So it's not charged yet. So basically this is how it looks. Now the only thing I need is a tripod stand. And now look out for the next video that I'm gonna be posting, because I'm gonna be posting on how I'm going to set it up, and I will show you the different types of lighting, because I know it comes with different types of lighting. It has like the bi-colors. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that in my next video. Other than that, thank you for sticking around. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can help me grow. Until next time, see you in my next one. Bye.